1, 2, 3, come on!
What's good, guys? It's Taylin, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Taylin. And today I'll be making my favorite pizza from scratch. I need to wash my hands and sanitize my counter, so I'm ready to go. First things first, make sure you have 3 cups of flour made on the counter. Now you need to make a hole in the middle of the flour. Now I need 1 cup of warm water and then you put it in the hole. To add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now that it's all in there, you need to knead it really well with your hand. Now you need to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure you split the dough in 2 equal parts. Cover them and put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. If you want it tonight, then let it sit for 1 hour. While our dough is sitting in the fridge, now it's time to make your special sauce. For the sauce, you're going to put your burner on medium heat, then we'll add a little less of 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now you need a hefty amount of mixed garlic. Now you need 2 teaspoons of oregano. Ooh, this smells so good. After that, you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. While that's on low heat, we're going to work on our peeled tomatoes. Make sure to smash really good. Now you're going to take your bowl of smashed tomatoes and put it into your pot. Now you add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. That smells good. And if you want, you can add season to your own taste. Okay, there you have it. Now you're going to let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure your oven is set to 400 degrees. I pre-shredded mozzarella and provolone. Then you're going to get your pepperonis and place it on the pizza. For extra taste, add Italian seasoning and olive oil to the crust. Then you're going to put the pizza in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes.